Welcome. This meditation is for anyone healing after narcissistic abuse. You don't need to fix anything tonight. You don't need answers. Your only job right now is to rest. If you're listening to this, you are already safe enough to slow down. Allow your body to settle into the surface beneath you. Let your eyes gently close and take a slow breath in through your nose and a long, easy breath out through your mouth. Notice where your body meets the bed or chair. There is nothing you need to hold together right now. Bring your attention to your feet. Let them soften. Let your calves relax. Your thighs. Your hips. With each breath out, imagine your body becoming heavier, supported. Held. No effort required. If your mind begins to wander, that's okay. You're not doing this wrong. Narcissistic abuse trains the body to stay alert, to scan, to prepare. Tonight, you're allowed to stand down. Place one hand on your chest, one hand on your stomach. Breathe in slowly and out even slower. With each exhale, silently say, I am safe right now. Your body is learning something new. It is learning that the danger has passed, even if the memories haven't yet caught up. That's okay. The body heals first. You may still hear their voice in your mind. You may still feel the pull to explain, defend, or understand. For tonight, you don't need to engage. Imagine placing every unanswered question, every painful interaction, every moment of confusion into a box beside your bed. You're not throwing it away. You're simply setting it down until morning. You are allowed to rest without permission. Now bring your attention back to yourself. Notice your breath. Notice the quiet strength it takes to survive what you did. Silently repeat, I trust myself again. I didn't imagine it. I am healing even while I sleep. Your nervous system is unwinding old patterns. You don't have to force it. Sleep does the work for you. There is nothing left to do, nothing left to prove. Let your breathing become natural. Let your body sink deeper. If thoughts arise, let them float by like clouds, no need to follow them. You are safe. You are supported. You are allowed to rest. Sleep now. Your healing continues quietly through the night. If this meditation helped, listen again tonight or share it with someone who needs safe rest. Healing after narcissistic abuse begins with calming the nervous system.